Lesson 3, Part 1, Vowels is continuing. The 12th and the final vowel is OW. OW is also taking a subordinate letter like OO, the 6th vowel. But here, OW takes its subordinate letter at the side, not at its back. So both are commonly called as OW. OW, da, ta, im, Audadam means medicine. We will see one another word for OW, that is Avvayar, the greatest Tamil poet. And now she is going to answer a question. What is the rarest in the world? Here starts the part 2 weapon letter. This part of Tamil alphabet is a weapon letter. It is depicted with 3 dots written in a triangular fashion. It is neither a vowel nor a consonant. It seems to be the basis for consonants. It is traditionally pronounced as ak, but practically it is pronounced as akh. It is only used in the middle of a word. It never comes at the beginning or at the end of a word. It has a very poor use in Tamil language. Ak is written in this way as the pencil writes on these 4 lines. It never comes as a beginning letter or as a ending letter. It comes only in between the letters. Here it comes between A and Ku. So ek means steel. Ek kattigal. Kaittigail. Ek kattigal. Aham means food grains. A proverb in Tamil, Akham Surkel by Avvayar, explains as don't undermeasure the measurement of food grains from its original measurement. In the upcoming video, you can see a man undermeasures the measurement of grains.
படிக்கு முக்கா படிய அளக்குறான்.
ஆமா குலாமு அந்த பழாப்புறவன் நம்மள கண்டே முறைக்கிறான்.
ஆமா குல்சாரு அக்கா படிக்கு முக்கா படிய அளக்குறான்.
ஆமா குலாமு அந்த பழாப்புறவன் நம்மள கண்டே முறைக்கிறான்.
ஆமா.
Let's see one another word for the weapon letter akh. This man Qasim stealthily slides into a thief's cave where he finds enormous wealth being hidden, and he is stealing those hidden wealth to his heart's full. But he is not satisfied. He wants more and more. So the word Vekudal is very apt to him. Vekudal means avariciousness or the excessive desire that cannot be fulfilled. The word Vekudal, Vekudail, means avarice. Though ak is very rarely used in Tamil language, it plays very important and vital role in forming consonants. We will see the importance in the next lesson. Okay, it's time for simple recapitulating questions. Let's move on. Self-evaluative questions. Question number 1. Which of the following has a short sound? That means kuril. Your time starts now. The answer is second, oo. If you are right, you award 1 mark to you. Which of the following has a long sound? Needle. Your time starts now. Answer is 4I. Which of the following has a sound? Kuril. Your time starts now. Answer is 3A. Which of the following has a sound? Kuril. Your time starts now. The answer is 3A. Which of the following has E sound. Kuril. Your time starts now. The answer is 4. None above. Which of the following has oo sound? You have 10 seconds. The answer is 1. Oo. Which letter comes after I? There are 10 seconds to answer. The answer is 2. O. Which letter comes before the vowel oo? You have 10 seconds to answer. The answer is 4. E. How many long vowel sounds are in Tamil alphabet? You should choose the answer within 10 seconds. The answer is 4. 7. Weapon letter Ach is used in a word at the dash. Choose the right answer in 10 seconds. The answer is 2. Middle. Okay, if your score is above 80%, congratulations. Continue to the next lesson. If your score is below 80%, just go through the lessons once again. Okay, we will see the next letter in the next video. Until then, bye.